Every time you say the India story, what gives you the confidence that the India story has come? And I think a couple of things why I think it's come is that we're in a really tough situation around the world, that there's so much uncertainty. So just think, since David Beckham got the Crystal Award, so you're in a playoff. There's no other leader that can bend it like Beckham, like Modi ji, with this. So I think that, we're betting really on the fact that we have a great player who's leading this team. And that's serious. It's been there for 15 years. And I love the fact that the government is thinking like an owner, that they don't think about quarter by quarter, except when you're trying to push private sector. But, in this thing, but you're thinking long term, what can India be? And I think this what can India be is what excites everybody. So one factor, let me give you just a couple. So one, as a personal owner, I'm second generation business. My dad started this, and I've seen in the last 30 years that I've been working, and I have been working 30 years hard, and we've seen 20% compounding growth, CAGR of 20%. And the nice thing is that I know that when my kids take over, they're looking at a country and an economy that will be the same growth. Now tell me where you'll find that. And you meet business after business and they'll see that optimism. And the thing is, they're finding different ways to do it. And that's the excitement, that it's not just the old way. Now we've turned, we turned our business around to say that, we can't just give physical healthcare, we have to be digital. Now we move AI. And when you think exponentially, and that's what this government has been able to give us, or India, India has been able to give us, that we can dream to be, it's the cheapest cost of technology, to get IT services, of data, it's the cheapest in the world. Everybody has a mobile phone. So now they can think about creating, and most of us are born entrepreneurs. So all these people are thinking, what can we do to make this happen? And that's what I like about the India story. Another India story is that everything is not just concentrated in the metros. It's not concentrated in Delhi. It's about the states. It's about the hundreds of cities that are coming up now, which is exciting, that people are moving towards and thinking, I can become a billionaire even if I don't sit in the 4 metros. So this is the excitement. The compounding factor of India is something that no one else in the world can match. And that too with the stability.
Yeah.